Here we are, here in Moscow. It's a great trade show for construction business in Moscow. It's most built 2011. So here at our booth, our supplier from Belgium, Chris Livingston. Chris is more than 30 years in concrete business with such major companies as Bartel, Barrichello, and so on. Now Chris is owner of his private label called COOPTER. Hello, Chris.
Oh, Chris is good. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
So, can you introduce to our readers your new products?
Okay. Well, we have a full line in power trowel machines, starting with the 60 centimeter edge of machine over there.
We can show it here.
Okay, and the 90 centimeter power trowels, and 120, although the 120 is not shown here. And then we progress into the full line of ride-ons, the largest there, with the 35 horsepower Vanguard engine, a superb panning machine for big floor work, option of 8 or 10 blades, 10 blades giving a lot of stability and faster closing of the concrete. Then we go down to the smaller 90 centimeter high rider. Again, a very good panning machine, quite fast on finishing. And then the low rider, which is this one here, over there, which is also a very, very good finishing machine that people like, easy to handle, low center of gravity, gives very good finishing. Then we progress into topping spreaders, material spreader for shake-ons. Gives a precise measurement.
Please show it here.
And there we are. Gives a precise measurement of material from 1 to 6 kilogram per square meter. Then we have all our flat work tools for finishing concrete, leveling, adjusting, which are very, very useful for the professional flooring contractor on industrial floors. Right down to the hand tools, which are here. Then we have the razorback truss screed. This screed can be set up to lengths of 15 meters and can be adjusted plus or minus an eighth of an inch or 3 millimeter plus or minus for accuracy across the whole span of floor. It's a very high amplitude product, which means the vibration rather than high frequency is giving good amplitude, which means that you get the penetration of vibration through the depth of the floor. What more can I say? We are in Moscow and hopefully we're going to sell a load.
Chris, many customers ask your dealer about the prices. This is good quality European equipment, right?
Yes.
But if we will compare prices for such equipment with another suppliers, it can be Bartel, Allen, Whiteman, even Kreber. It's quite cheaper than these suppliers.
Yes.
Tell us why.
Well, it's because we don't use a massive manufacturing plant like many of our other competitors. We subcontract most of the component manufacture. So that keeps our actual, by outsourcing, it keeps our overhead very tight, very low.
Well, that's right.
Yeah.
What about your worldwide sales of such equipment?
Yeah, it's we're gradually spreading. Predominantly at the moment we are mainland Europe, with most countries in Europe. We are Russia, Southern Europe quite well. North Africa we're just developing into, in Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco. Things are starting to happen for us in those markets. In the general Middle East markets we're also we're selling in the Emirates, and we're just hopeful of expanding that through the rest of the Middle East. That's where we're concentrating at the moment.
So, thank you. How do you like the Russian market? In your mind, it will be some increase in closest years?
It feels that way. It's like, compared to what we've been used to in Europe for the last few years, Russia, by comparison, feels as though it's on fire. A lot of things happening. and we feel very strong optimism.
Good. Maybe some new products you will supply to your dealers this year?
Yes, we're currently developing a concrete saw, also bringing in a compactor of a general nature to fit with the job. We're also looking at a new floating machine for concrete vibration with similar to a flat blade, like that, but with an engine and vibrator, called a Vibratam bull float. And that's where we are at the moment this year, new product.
Anyway.
Oh, sorry, with the exception of, on the 60 centimeter edger, we're bringing in a 75 centimeter model. That'll be available in the next 2 months.
People are really interested about any advantages of this equipment in comparing with major brands in the Russian market.
Okay.
Advantages and disadvantages as well, if it can be.
Well, disadvantage can only be really our name, is a fairly recent, fairly new name, but
not well-known brand yet.
Yeah, that's the only thing. I mean, advantages, we have good pricing. Our spare parts are competitively priced against some of the major brands.
Always in stock.
Always in stock. So it's fast delivery. Also, we give a warranty equal to most of the major brands. If you take the ordinary walk-behind drive trials, we're giving 24-month warranty on gearboxes. On the ride-on machines, we're giving 12-month on gearboxes. So, we're in line with our competitors.
So it's quite good market share in my mind for such equipment with such a really friendly pricing. Let's call it friendly pricing.
Combination pricing and quality.
Yeah.